Aloha food foresting friends and family. This is Tutu Signs at Aloha Food Forest, and I want to show you this plant called Broadleaf plantain, which you can find growing in grassy parks. I've found them in many parks in many different places, so they may be growing in a grassy lawn near you. The leaves are good for bandaging your skin. It will heal your skin really fast. I use it on my, I soak it in castor oil and use it on my face too, because it's so really good for skin. And then the seeds are psyllium. They are what we purchase at stores as a dietary supplement. So I like to pull these up from, like, say, cracks in the sidewalk. This one was in the crack in the sidewalk. And then just simply put it into some nice soil. Make sure the roots are all the way under there. There's a little soil from this garden, and I found a little patch for it. So this gives us a supply of skincare like bandages, healing for our skin, and also the psyllium. And it's a nice little ground cover too. So I'm just popping it in here, and then I'll water it in. Okay, friends, I hope you find some of this for you. It's really a great addition to your food forest, and you can usually find it for free. Aloha!